what they sent me. Karma Beauty sent me a hair dryer to review. Y'all, I could not make this up, like, at all. It literally took me 10 minutes to blow dry my hair. And I did not straighten it or anything yet. And normally, it would be so frizzy. Like, I'm actually surprised right now. It is that good. And the thing that I liked about it most is that it really didn't get that hot. So, I'm going to tag them below. Love their straightener. Love their products. The Trinity oil was amazing. It smelled so good. I'm going to tag them below. Y'all go give them a follow. 10 out of 10.